Hello guys and welcome back. As stated, we are going to first start with a material design bootstrap project. If you go over to their website, it's mdbootstrap.com/angular, then you'll be able to see or find a startup guide to to creating a project with it. Um, so let's see where exactly can we find that. Let's go to the download section here, and it will take us to this getting started with Angular Bootstrap guide. And just make sure that you are on the Angular version of this website only, because they have the websites for other versions like Vue.js, React.js, and jQuery as well. So we just need to go to the Angular version of it, and we are going to start installing it using npm. So I'll go to the 5-minute quick start guide here, and these are all the prerequisites for it. So you should have an Angular CLI version of 1.5.0 to 1.6.5. So if I go to my command prompt here, and I check for my version of of Angular CLI, I'll type ng space -v, and this should return my version of Angular CLI, which is 1.6.5 right here. Okay. All right, so that's taken care of. And since this is the version, Angular CLI is going to create an Angular application with a version greater than 5. So I don't really need to take care of that as well. Now I already have Angular CLI installed. That's why I was able to basically run this command here, ng space -v. And I also have TypeScript installed. So if I type in TypeScript space -v, okay, maybe tsc space -v, then I should have a version of TypeScript compiler as well. So TypeScript as well is installed. That's a good sign. Now I can simply use Angular CLI to generate a project. So let's get started with that. So I'm going to copy this command here that says create new Angular project using Angular CLI command. Um, so I generally, or I usually like my projects inside a folder in the C drive in development inside Angular, like so. So I'll just navigate to that, and now I'll start with the new project here. Let's just break this to a new line so that you guys are able to see. And yeah, I guess now we can just paste in the command here, and I'll name this project my first MD, like so. So it created all these files for me automatically, and now it's installing all the packages. So we'll wait for them to get installed, and I'll see you guys once this installation is done. And as you can see, all the modules that it was installing have finished installing now. So now if I can simply navigate to the project folder that I created, and its name is my first MD. So cd my first MD, like so. I'll clear out the console, and if I type ng serve -o, then it should serve up the application, and it should open the application in front of me. And as you can see, the application is open now. But what you see here is a simple a simple application created by Angular CLI, but it doesn't really have Bootstrap in it, or neither it has Angular material in it, because the text or the fonts that we see here are just plain, um, and not the ones that come up with Bootstrap. So in the next video, we'll be integrating Angular material Bootstrap with it. So I'll see you guys in that video. Bye.